Everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your controller isn't working in Hades 2 on PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several proven solutions to get it fixed, step by step. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Adjust Steam Controller Override. First, open Steam. Go to your library and find Hades 2. Right-click it and select Properties from the context menu. On the left side, click on the Controller tab. Find the Override for Hades 2 drop-down menu and select Enable Steam Input. Now launch the game and check if your controller works. If it still doesn't, go back to the same drop-down and this time select Disable Steam Input to test the other option. Solution 2. Open Steam and click on Settings. Go to the Controller section. Here, check only the controller type you actually use. If you use an Xbox controller, enable Steam Input for Xbox controllers. If it doesn't work, try disabling it. For a PlayStation controller, look for PlayStation configuration support. If it's disabled, enable it. And if it's enabled, try disabling it. You can do the same for Switch controllers or generic controllers. You can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver if you're using an Xbox Gamepad. Solution 3. Reset your Gamepad in Device Manager. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Then open it. Expand Human Interface Devices. Locate your gamepad, right-click it, and select Disable Device. Then right-click it again and select Enable Device. This quick reset can sometimes fix detection issues. Solution 4. Update your gamepad drivers. In Device Manager, right-click your gamepad and select Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose your gamepad driver and press Next. Wait for the driver to be installed. Once it's done, launch Hades 2 again and test your controller. And that's it! By following these steps, your controller should now work properly in Hades 2 on PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.